Staying informed about financial news is crucial for investors. The market is constantly changing. Understanding the latest trends helps individuals and businesses make better financial decisions. Today, we'll cover the most important financial news from April 16, 2025. We'll look at market moves, earnings reports, and economic indicators to watch. This information will give you a clearer picture of the current market landscape. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of finance. So, let's dive into the latest financial news and see what's moving the markets today. Keeping an eye on upcoming earnings reports is essential for investors. These reports provide valuable insights into a company's financial health and future prospects. Two companies to watch closely are Zai Lab and CNH Industrial. Zai Lab, a biopharmaceutical company, is scheduled to release its Q1 2025 earnings results on May 8, 2025 before the market opens. Investors will be eager to hear about the company's progress in developing its drug pipeline. CNH Industrial, a global leader in agricultural and construction equipment, will report its Q1 2025 earnings on May 1, 2025. Analysts and investors will be watching for any impact of global supply chain issues and commodity price fluctuations on the company's performance. The stock market experienced a quiet trading day on April 15, 2025, with major indices closing slightly lower. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped by 0.4%, while the S&P 500 index declined by 0.2%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index showed resilience, closing down only 0.1%. These modest declines suggest a cautious sentiment among investors. Factors like rising inflation, interest rate hikes, and geopolitical tensions continue to weigh on market sentiment. U.S.-China trade tensions remain a significant concern for investors worldwide. The ongoing trade dispute between the two economic giants has created uncertainty and volatility in the global markets. Recently, China's decision to halt deliveries from Boeing has further escalated tensions. This move has negatively impacted Boeing's stock price and raised concerns about the broader impact on American businesses operating in China. The trade war's outcome remains uncertain, and its resolution will likely have far-reaching consequences for the global economy. Section 5. Notable stock movements. Several stocks experienced significant movements on April 15, 2025. Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX, surged by 5% following the announcement of ambitious revenue goals. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, or HPE, also saw a 5% gain after Elliott Investment Management acquired a stake in the company. In the financial sector, Bank of America, ticker BAC, and Citigroup, ticker C, impressed investors with strong first-quarter earnings, leading to stock price increases of 4% and 2% respectively. On the other hand, Boeing, ticker BA, faced a 2% decline following China's decision to halt deliveries. Albemarle, ticker ALB, a lithium producer, dropped 5.9% due to lowered price targets and concerns about the impact of U.S.-China trade tensions. Section 6. Key economic indicators. Economic indicators provide valuable insights into the overall health of the economy. The 10-year Treasury yield, a benchmark for interest rates, dipped slightly to 4.34% from 4.38% on April 15, 2025. This decline suggests that investors are seeking safer assets amid market uncertainty. Gold, a traditional safe haven asset, gained 0.6% to reach $3,247 per ounce. WTI, crude oil prices remained relatively stable at $61.50 per barrel. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, experienced a slight dip to around $84,000. Section 7. Futures Market Outlook. Futures contracts provide insights into how the market expects stocks to perform in the future. As of April 16, 2025, Dow futures are down 0.3%, indicating a potentially lower opening for the index. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures also point to a slightly negative opening, down 0.2% each. These figures suggest that investors remain cautious about the market's short-term direction. However, it's important to note that futures are just predictions and can change quickly based on news and events. Section 8. Conclusion. In conclusion, staying informed about financial news is crucial for investors of all levels. By understanding market trends, earnings reports, and economic indicators, individuals can make more informed investment decisions. Remember to conduct thorough research, consider your investment goals, and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Section 9. Disclaimer. The information provided in this essay is for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and does not constitute financial advice. It is essential to conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.